Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Schooling Street. In this video tutorial, I'll teach you the simplest method of installing Synaptics drivers. Yes, simplest method. A method in which you don't need to download and install manually any driver. You just need to type only two words to install the drivers. Before starting, please subscribe to my channel for future videos. Let's start. First of all, open your search box or Cortana and write Windows Update. After this, click on it. In Windows Update, select View all optional updates. From here, select Driver Updates. And here you will see Synaptics Mouse 19.0.19.73 version. From here, you just need to select it and download and install. By these optional updates, you can select all of these or just select which you want. If you are using Windows 10, then you must see Synaptics Mouse 19.0.19.73, which is provided recently from Microsoft. These updates or these Synaptics drivers will update your mouse Synaptics touchpad to our latest version of Synaptics drivers. So you don't need to select or download manually from any website. You just need to select these Synaptics optional updates and select download and install. After this, Windows Update will check out the updates. Here you need to wait a little bit so that Windows can check out the all updates that have been selected to download and install. After successful checking, Windows will start to download Synaptics Mouse 19.0.19.73 version. You can see the status downloading and it's 25% done. You have to wait so that Windows can download and install the drivers fully. After downloading, you may need to restart your computer to apply these changes. Let's see and wait. Now you can see Windows has been downloaded the Synaptics drivers and now it's installing. Install may take a little bit. I recommend you to use all the Windows updates and all optional updates, download and install, because by downloading and installing optional update and recommended updates, your system speed will be okay and reliable. Now you can see Synaptics mouse status pending restart. It means I have to restart my computer to affect or change the Synaptics drivers. So now I restart it.
Now you can see my laptop has been restarted. Now again check out the Windows update, and from here select optional updates. From here select drivers or driver updates. Now you can see Synaptics drivers have been removed from here. It means Synaptics drivers has been installed. Go back, and here you have to write touchpad. Now touchpad, in touchpad settings you can see a lot of options are available. 2-finger scrolling, zoom, touch, 3 fingers gesture and other settings. This means my Synaptics drivers have been updated. Hope so you enjoyed this video. And in this way you can also update your Synaptics drivers manually or automatically by Windows Update. It is the simplest method to update the Synaptics drivers. In this way you don't need to search any website for Synaptics drivers. Hope so you enjoyed this video. Please like this video and comment below. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.